हेलो, नमस्ते,
नमस्ते नमस्ते
नमस्ते प्रिय दर्शकों and welcome to our what are we doing? We are previewing the next
रिव्यूइंग
Manchester
हम
United game.
बेशरम लोग हैं फिर आ गए मुंह उठा के
क्यों मैं तो नहीं आना
शी
चाहता तू ही लेके आया मेरे को
शीश महल. It's supposed to be a
Yes,
big game, right? From
yeah,
the point where we're sitting on the table, it's supposed to be a big game.
yes.
It's
It is a match between the team which is on fifth, Crystal Palace. They've won five games. They drew they drew five games and they've only lost two games. That's Crystal Palace at home playing against a team that couldn't defeat 10 men Everton at their home.
at our home.
Manchester United.
It's gonna be a good game. Like,
We
man,
won five, just as good as Crystal Palace. We've drew three, but we've
mm,
lost four. That is where
okay.
the problem is. And goal difference is zero. I'm actually a little okay. Last time तो कुछ minus
अपना
10-12 में थे. हमारा अपना GD zero है भाई.
oh, मतलब
19 goals दिए,
zero पे
19
होके भी
goals लिए.
it's progress for us and it's positive. Like, I don't know, should we be happy or like
No, we can never be happy. We should not be happy.
okay, yeah,
क्योंकि
that's
लास्ट पांच
established.
गेम के बाद जो हमने लास्ट पांच गेम के बाद we dropped points to Everton. So as we saying, they were turning new page. No, the page is gone. The new book has been
Everything is
established.
good.
Now again we have to start uh, trying to see if we can build momentum. But it's
हाँ
going to be really difficult against Crystal Palace. I
किस
will be away.
अवे
Crystal Palace at home is going to be extremely
आज
difficult. Last
आर्सेनल
four
जीता था.
games that we
Hmm.
Last four games that we've played with Crystal Palace over the last 2 years,
We've
we've lost all four. All
all
four.
four.
We've
Holy
lost.
fuck. That's what I'm saying. Like
Latest
Brentford,
being
Crystal Palace, yeah. We've lost everything. Away, home, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. Latest win 2-0 or something.
we just keep losing. Yeah, latest being 2-0. उसके पहले draw. उसके पहले 4-0, 1-0. So
Oh, bastard.
it's just been. I think it's just मेरे को ना वो deja vu होता है. Every
Yeah.
preview video we make for any team, we're like, yeah, United has not won against them in the last 4 years. United has not won
Because
against them in the last 2 years.
yeah, right?
It's
Because we've been so bad. Like actually been so bad. Like it's not just the bigger teams, like not the top six. Like सबके against है कि like oh we haven't won और last दो गेम उन्होंने हमको मारा है. Home away फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. And we are back now. But okay, let's get into the game. Like ज़्यादा बड़ा तो नहीं करना ही
I
है. Like it's just a preview. I still think
I don't know.
क्या नहीं मैं just बोल
No,
रहा हूँ
no,
कि
no.
I'm excited for Cunha to come back. I think थोड़ा stability आ जाएगा. Problem is कि away Crystal Palace they are fucking strong. They attack you at your home and उनके घर पे अपन खेल रहे तो imagine how good we have to be. Or else there's another defeat coming in straight away. Like Amorim has to step up big time. Even the
Oh,
players
big time.
themselves.
Amorim, players, all of them have to step up. I think Mount has to start along with Cunha. Zogzi
Yeah,
को दिखना भी नहीं चाहिए bench पे. Fuck him off.
bro.
I would, or if you're not starting Mount for whatever reason, then please, ठीक है, fuck it. Push Bruno Fernandes आगे. I cannot see Bruno Fernandes deep. I am
Bro,
done.
why is he
Casemiro के
scared?
साथ माइनू डाल. I don't
हाँ
know
हाँ
what Amorim
एग्जैक्टली
thinks.
एक मैच मेरे को देखना है वो ये जो बोला ना अपन बात भी कर चुके एक मैच अगर जैसे बोल रहा तू आई वुड स्टिल
Yeah.
वांट माउंट कुनिया एंड दिस वन बट अगर अगर माउंट नहीं है मैच फिट कुनिया के डालना ब्रूनो को डाल देना छोड़ ना देखना क्या होता है लेट मेनू एंड दिस वन स्टार्ट
वैसे ही
ओके
हार रहे हैं वैसे ही हग रहे हैं लेट माइनू एंड कैसेमीरो स्टार्ट और उगारते और कैसेमीरो
हाँ
स्टार्ट बट वी नीड टू टेक सम चेंजेस वी कैन नॉट हैव ब्रूनो प्लेइंग डीप अगेन बिकॉज़ इट इज रिडिकुलस
अपन वेस्ट कर रहे हैं भाई
ridiculous
उसको
I am done it's a
क्योंकि
waste of his talent
you know why? Because Bruno was always that player. So even if we are down, if we are having a shit game, even if he's having a shit game, he'll get that one moment of brilliance and he'll save us. He's been doing it for years. We are obviously now relying heavily on like Mbumo, but अगर तुम्हारे पास है तो उसको भी यूटिलाइज करो ना यार हम ऐसे सिचुएशंस में है अभी और ऊपर से क्रिस्टल पैलेस अवे लाइक भाई वो जो खेलेंगे हमको बोलते हैं ना वो सांस लेने का मौका नहीं देने वाले द वे दे प्ले
and they have good team yeah. They have Mateta up top Sar they
ब्रो
have Wharton
दे
Henderson हमारा ही पर दिया हुआ
दे
and
प्ले
then
इन अ
Kouei
प्रॉपर फ्लो लाइक उनका
भाई
फ्लो
they are
इतना
that's what I'm
अच्छा है
saying
ना लाइक स्पेशली हमको मिड से वो जो अपना बैक है वो प्रॉपर सेटअप करना पड़ेगा. ये डोरगू लवडू बेंचो पता नहीं. लाइक आई थिंक डायलोट माई स्टार्ट. लाइक मैच का पता नहीं जब से इंजरी से आया लाइक
I
ही
tell you
हैजंट
what,
बीन.
whoever starts, we do not have proper wing backs. We're done. So Dalo sucks. Dorgu to bhai sahab, I think I don't even know what to say about him. He sucks. And Crystal Palace is another team that plays the same formation as of
And does
what Man United plays. 3-4-2-1.
is it and does better.
Yeah, 3-4-2-1. And does better, does so much better because their wing backs, Munoz and Mitchell, they
हाँ.
go
Oh fuck.
back, aage piche, up and down. We forget Munoz. He's been amazing. He's got 2 assists and
Hmm.
2 goals this season. Right? So they are
So
amazing at that. They have Henderson, a good goalkeeper at the back. They have Gueye, जिसके लिए almost Liverpool मर रहा था. He's excellent.
he's
साला पीछे से आके बॉल डालता है. He's amazing. And then you have
Mark
John
Castle.
Philip Mateta and Pepe Sarr. तो भाई आई एम नॉट वेरी
एक
तुम
साथ
बोल रहे
इतने गिरा
हो
दिए. अभी तो मैचेस सब सुन के और टेंशन हो रहा है कि बाप सब इतने टाइम से सोच रहा था. मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं था. अभी लग रहा है कि फक मैच ये हमको 3-0 या 4-0 ना खोल दे. ना I'm
the
काउंटिंग बिग ऑन
Mourinho.
कुनिया क्योंकि वो थोड़ा सा स्टेबिलिटी आ जाएगा. आई थिंक एम्बुमो अकेले पड़ गया था फिर लाइक
What about
अमान अकेले
midfield?
पड़ गया
अरे
था.
कुनिया, how about
मिडफील्ड
midfield?
यार
There's nothing in midfield. Dude,
मार
कुनिया
खाते
अकेला
हैं.
क्या भगवान नहीं है, राइट?
नहीं नहीं
कुनिया
आगे
ब्रूनो अकेले
एटलीस्ट कुछ
कुछ
तो
नहीं.
होगा राइट. लाइक मिडफील्ड तो वैसे भी नहीं है भैंचोद लेकिन एटलीस्ट कुछ ना. सी दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. यू हैव टू आफ्टर द लास्ट गेम. आई डोंट केयर इफ इट्स एन
Yeah.
अवे गेम और एनीथिंग. यू हैव टू. अगर ये गेम हारा अपन तो दे विल बी लाइक उस पे तो
खत्म है.
आवाज हुआ है. हाँ इस पे फटेगा प्रॉपर
बहुत
फटेगा
खराब.
क्योंकि अभी बैक टू बैक गेम्स है. विद जस्ट एंटरिंग दिसंबर सो यू नीड दैट मोमेंटम राइट नाउ.
Attack, yes. Away, Man United against Crystal Palace, such a Crystal Palace and their coach Glasner, they're all good. I am
एक
very
गेम.
scared. Very scared. वो वही होगा ना. I think Amorim's going to get fucked by his own system just by the other team. 3-4-2-1 वो खिलाएंगे और वो पेलेंगे. They will run all over us and we'll be like, oh wait,
I
ऐसा खेलना होता है क्या 3-4-2-1 में? Is this how we play?
I
It's all about intensity, right?
yeah.
We against Everton we had zero intensity. We weren't quick. We were losing all the duels. We weren't good for the second balls, everything. So I do not have a lot of hope from neither this team. I am done. Done trying to defend them. No, done
So
trying to defend them. I'll never stop supporting them. You know that. And I do not have a lot of hope from Amorim also because now he has to prove me wrong. He's उसको ना भी
yeah.
defend कर करके
Now
हो गया. He has to prove
I'm with
us
you.
wrong. So to me, this is a very difficult game. It's more difficult for us than the games that we've played against probably Arsenal or Liverpool because, as you said, he's probably set us. He's probably set the team against them well because they are a bigger team. But with teams like Brentford or with Fulham or with Crystal Palace, we've always struggled. Not
Yeah.
only under Amorim, even when Ten Hag was our manager, हम
Every
लोग
time.
हारते थे. The, the last time I've seen United play well against these not smaller teams, comparatively out of top six teams, was when
Hmm.
Ole was our manager. वो
हाँ
काउंटर पे
but
भगाता था अपने को. What do you think is going to be तो अगर यूनाइटेड विन बोला ना लोगो, सो आई एम गोइंग टू नाउ कॉल यू पापा की परी. तेरा हो गया. अगर तू ये सब नहीं बोला ना, आई एम
I
स्टिल
can't
नॉट.
I can't fucking predict the loss, right? Of course not. So I'm still
You're not
going with
predicting a
the.
loss. It's being realistic.
I don't know. Like I again see
So
like this. वो फिर से हमको वही क्वेश्चन पे आ जाता है कि what team's gonna turn up? If the team which
same
turned
team
up
that was
against
against Everton.
Liverpool, ना अगर if the team which turned up against Liverpool, holy fuck, then तू मेरे को पूछ यार मैं तेरे को सामने से बोलूंगा नहीं. We can take Crystal Palace. Fucking it's Crystal Palace. शीश महल बेंचो हमला कर दो. I still think like we it might be a 2-2 draw or United might win 2-1. I think
पापा
they
की
have to
परी.
turn up. नहीं I think they will we will have to turn up क्योंकि pressure आ गया last game के बाद after 10 men so they don't have an option.
So I would say you are a Papa ki pari OP. Nothing like this is
हाँ
going to happen. I will tell you, Man United is going to
क्या
lose
3-1
3-0. Away from
3-0 अरे
3-0.
माँ
What?
कसम.
Kanta goal मार रहे हम लोग. We have lost all our confidence. The build-up has gone. It's all
हम्म
done. We're fucked. क्रिस्टल पैलेस में है, एक तो अवे फ्रॉम होम है. ग्लासनर इज गोइंग टू 3-4-2-1 is the perfect setup to fuck United up. I'm telling you. But I'll also correct myself. Any setup is good to fuck us up. 4-4-2, 4-3-3, 4-3-2-1, 3-4-3, 3-4-2-1. हम सारे सेटअप में हकते हैं.
फॉर्मेशन चेंज करते जाता.
And it's got nothing to do with the fact that I'm embarrassed and I'm irritated and I'm angry with my team. No, I think at this point of time, Crystal Palace के players are better on skill level compared
Yes.
to us.